Gwinnett Technical College has been a leader in education for 35 years. Built in 1984 and originally named Gwinnett Area Technical School, Gwinnett Tech first opened its doors on September 27, 1984, welcoming 375 full-time students. Since the beginning, Gwinnett Tech has been focused on the educational and training needs for the businesses and industries we serve. Beginning with 325 to more than 650 dedicated advisory board members and companies, Gwinnett Tech has partnered with our community to be a driving force in workforce development. As the college continued to grow, we underwent our first name change in 1988 to Gwinnett Technical Institute, aligning with the network of state technical institutes under the Technical College System of Georgia. Today, we are one of the fastest growing two-year colleges in the nation, with 2 campuses, more than 140 programs, a 99% job placement rate, more than 21,000 students, and award-winning faculty. Gwinnett Tech is where education meets workforce demand. At the turn of the century, Gwinnett Tech reached another milestone when we changed our name to Gwinnett Technical College to better reflect our role within the region's higher education market. As we continued into the new millennium, our support for the community expanded to include a variety of offerings and facilities, including the establishment of the Gwinnett Tech Foundation, the George Busby International Center for Workforce Development, the D. Scott HUDGENS Jr. Early Education Center, and the Life Sciences Center, which houses the latest industry standard equipment and serves 3,000 students each year. In 2016, Gwinnett Tech expanded once again, this time crossing counties into North Fulton, where we opened our second campus. To keep up with industry demand and provide qualified workforce-ready employees, we opened Launch Point, the CLYDE Strickland Center for Career Experience, which provides internship opportunities and career development for students. Since our first graduation, Gwinnett Tech has seen more than 33,000 students enter the workforce. With Georgia's largest adult education department, which has seen more than 28,000 GED graduates, Gwinnett Tech is committed to our students, faculty, staff, and community partners. Gwinnett Tech is dedicated to providing hands-on learning and education for every student. It's this dedication to workforce development and economic growth that has driven our mission over the past 35 years as an economic engine in the region and will continue for generations to come. We'll always be GTC proud.